What's up? It's me, Gabi, and welcome back to my channel. And welcome back to HALLOWEEK, Day 2, Hedwig. If you are a musical theater fan like me, then you might recognize this look. This is the title character from Hedwig and the Angry Inch, the genderqueer East German rock star Hedwig. It's very glam, very drag, and I've always wanted to do it. So let's get to it. You'll see here that I'm wearing one outfit and then change into a completely different outfit. I lost the initial footage of how I did my eye makeup, so I'm refilming it right now. And I do attempt to block my brows. I don't want to go into too much detail because there's so many informative videos, but it's just about layering and smoothing. You want to layer your glue, smooth it down, let it dry completely, and do that about 4 times. Once everything is nice and dry, you're going to set it with some loose powder. I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent powder and just dusting off the excess. I'm then going in with my most warm toned concealer. For me, that's the Makeup Forever Ultra HD concealer. I'm going to concentrate that. The warm color is going to help to cancel out any of the ashiness from my actual brow color underneath, but I'm just going to pat out the perimeter and then use a fan to help dry everything. I'm keeping the most concentration of concealer on my actual brow. I'm then going to repeat that same process with the Tarte Shape Tape. Just using a sponge to smooth everything over and then adding an additional layer of translucent powder. Now it's time to move on to the lids. I first went in with my MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre and then just blended that all over the lid. I then went in with my Urban Decay waterproof eye pencil from their collaboration with Game of Thrones. This is in the color The Night King. And then I just map out the shape and fill it in. Beautiful color, really sparkly and iridescent, as you can see. This adds a nice dimension, but I do have some glitter to add on top. So I go in with my Profusion Cosmetics Aqua Gems glitter palette. I'm using 2 of the shades, this more aqua color in the center, and then I will layer the more royal blue color on top. I was really happy with the way that these glitters worked out. They stuck to the eyeliner super easily and they really went on so easily. Very minimal fallout and mess. I'm then going in with my handy dandy Suva Beauty Hydra Liner in Space Panda and then just filling out all of the negative space. This look almost has like a 1920s kind of vibe to it where it has really skinny, kind of sad brows. So the look itself is just kind of really curvy and going up in like almost like a little sad face. So I'm going to set the liner with my Morphe Picasso palette. I'm going in with the white color just to set everything and make sure that it doesn't budge and to kind of get rid of any of the stickiness before I go in with my eyeliner. Using my Rare Beauty eyeliner, I'm going to do an exaggerated cat eye and fill up essentially the entirety of my lid with the black eyeliner. I was having some trouble, so I switched over to my tattoo liner because I don't want to damage my Rare Beauty one, and I have a backup tattoo liner, so I just wanted to use this one instead. But as you can see, I'm just going pretty much to the crease. I'm filling up the majority of my lid with the black liner, and that's pretty much it for the eye. Cutting back to when I originally did this, but now I'm just drawing on my brows and I'm using the Rare Beauty eyeliner to do this. Again, just like a super thin, almost sad looking brow. This is so drag. I've never attempted drag makeup or blocking my brows or anything like that, so I was really excited to try it with this look. So the brows are done. Now I'm gonna do my lashes and I'll be right back. Now we're going in with the foundation. I'm using a cocktail of Bite Beauty and Rare Beauty and just dragging it down my neck and applying about 2 layers of foundation. Setting everything with some more Laura Mercier powder and setting under the eyes as well. And now we begin to contour. So I'm going in with my MAC Cosmetics blush in Taupe, contouring the nose. Again, this is a drag look, so I'm going really intense with the contour Honestly, not that different from what I normally do, but I am going in a little bit more heavy with the contour. As you can see, I'm contouring the nose, under the cheekbones, on the forehead, along the jawline, and a little on the side of my mouth as well. Going in with some blush. This is Bare Minerals You Had Me at Merlot. I really love this blush. This is really pretty. Going in with the Artist Couture Cocoa Bling highlighter and applying that where you normally apply highlighter. Tops of my cheekbones, down the bridge of my nose, on the tip of my nose, on my Cupid's bow, more on the cheeks, and just hitting the inner quarters as well with a little bit of Cocoa Bling. The fun thing with Hedwig is that you really can't go overboard. Gonna take my Milk Makeup tattoo stamp in the star, boop. And now overdrawing my lips with the ColourPop Cosmetics Lippy Pencil in Frenchie. And I'm just overdrawing as much as I can without making it look too crazy. So overdrawing and then just filling in my lips as well. Now topping that off with the ColourPop Cosmetics in collaboration with I Love Sarai Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick in Arriba. Beautiful true red. Topping the lips off with a Dose of Colors lip gloss in Over the Top. This is in collaboration with Desi Perkins and Katie. Oh my god, Desi just had her baby boy. Did you guys see? So cute. That baby boy's gonna be so loved. He already is. So as you see here, I'm going even more ham with my contour. Going in, going in, going in. Yes, we love. Now I'm just going to clean up the contour a little bit under my jaw. Just taking some more Laura Mercier powder. This is one of my favorite tricks to clean up bronzer and contour in general. You just swipe it on right there and you leave it for, the longer you leave it baking, the more intense that cleanup will be. And I'm just kind of hollowing out right on the side of my mouth, just to give myself a little bit more of like a hollowed out mouth and almost like an exaggerated jawline. All right, and that is it for the transformation. Yes, squad.
Time for a costume change.
Well, all right, the look is complete. I hope you liked this look, this musical theater look. I really liked doing this makeup and I really liked the way it turned out. It wasn't as hard as I thought it was gonna be. Definitely the brow covering was pretty tedious, but other than that, this was a look I've always wanted to try. I'm so glad I got the opportunity to. I really hope you guys like it. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram at GoGabiGabi for some behind the scenes and a little reel I did with this look. Remember to take a breath, drink some water. I believe in you and I'm sending you so much light, paz, and mucho, mucho, mucho amor. I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Bye.